Hi friends, today we are going to learn about what is view start. A view start .cshtml in ASP.NET MVC is a special file that is used to define common settings or configurations for all views in an application, such as layout pages, shared view logic. It is typically placed in the root of the views folder or in a specific subfolders like views shared. The file contains code that is executed before rendering any view. Common use: setting a default layout page for all views. Let's look at example of view start.cshtml. See, you can see here a view start, a symbol, open curly bracket and close curly brackets. We have assigned layout equal to a tilt symbol slash views slash shared slash layout.cshtml. This is a layout page of an application. Thank you.